Hi there everyone, my name is Preetham. Recently I came across one of the easiest video editor I saw. It is so minimalistic and user friendly guys, I could not stop myself reviewing it. So let's get started. As you can see here, I have already opened the website of this, and don't worry guys, I will provide the download link of this website in the description of this video. Now let me quickly start this software. So I need to write Filmy. If you have any issue regarding installation, then please do let me know in comment down below and I will be happy to help you. Now here we have two mode. One is editing mode and another one is fast mode. Now let me quickly show you the fast mode, how easy and intuitive it is to use. You just need to click on start creating. And here you can see there are lots of templates available, and these templates are professionally made and you can use any one of them. Just choose the right template. For example, let's say you are coming from a birthday party and you just want to create a video very quickly. So what you can do here, you can choose the birthday option, and here we can see we have 3 templates available. Now let me choose this template because this one look quite relevant. When you click on a template for first time, it may take some time to download, as you can see here, and as soon as the template got downloaded, it start working. Now here we can see our template got downloaded. But for this particular video, I'm going to choose this one. Now you can see the background music is already available with it and is absolutely free to use without any copyright issue. The next thing you need to do is click on next, and now you need to import your photos or videos. Now if I see the alternative import option, I can even import my picture wirelessly from my phone. But we also have other mode to import our photos and videos as well. So let me quickly import some photos of birthday because our theme is of birthday. So I can directly drag and drop my pictures here, or I can import it from my phone. Now what I can do is I can click on next. And now here we can see there is a beautiful video which is ready to be shared. However, let's say you do not like the sound, so what you can do is you can click on this audio icon, and from here you can replace or reset the audio. The Filmy gives you almost all major variety of audio options available to import. Now I am satisfied with this one, so I'm not going to change it. Now let's say you did not like this template, so anytime with one click you can select any other template. Let's say I want to select the previous template that we have downloaded. So now I will click on party, and now here you will see how quickly we were able to change the entire video. And if it suits your taste, then you can go with it, or you can choose any other relevant template. So let me just go back to the same template. And now I will click on export. Here I can choose the quality and where I want to save it. And voila, we are done. And you just created a very good looking video in just few clicks. Now here we can see our video is ready, and let me just play it. So you just saw how quickly we were able to create this video. Now let me just show you these steps quickly. Select my template, click next, import folder, click next, and export. Now let's say you want to publish it to internet, then you also have option to choose these social media network. For example, you want to post it directly to Facebook, you can do that. Similarly, you can also post it to Twitter, Vimeo and YouTube. Now I will just go back and will show you the main editing mode. Now let's click here, and this time you will see complete different interface compared to fast video. This interface is so clean, as you can see here. This is your timeline where you're going to edit the video, and here we have media import option, then we have filters, then we have effects, elements, transition, text and audio. Everything is well arranged and well placed. You just need to drag and drop, which makes video editing very easy with this software. So let me quickly go to media, and this time let me just import more videos. Now from my library I can simply export it here, and video is now being placed in my preview screen. From here I can play it, stop it and can go to next frame. Now before actually we place the video, from here in setting you can define the aspect ratio, resolution and the frame per second. The software allows you to publish your video at a maximum resolution of Full HD with maximum frame of 60 fps. After defining resolution and frame rate, from here now you can drop your video to your timeline. Similarly, you can place other videos as well, either by dragging and dropping it to time frame or simply by clicking on plus button. Now let me just play this video. You can also increase the preview size just by pulling it. If you want to see the full screen, then you can click here. Now let's talk about other video editing option. Let's say I want to increase the speed of this clip and I just wanted to make this lady to run little bit faster. I will simply select this clip here in video section and will click on this speed icon. You can also see the shortcut in bracket, which is Ctrl and R. Now I will click here, and from here I just want to make it little faster, so I will make it 1.3. Now you can see the length of video got decreased because we just increased the speed. Now you can see the lady run little bit faster and frames are still pretty smooth. Similarly, we can reduce the speed value as well. Just click again here on speed after selecting the video and make the value less than 1, for example 0.8, and this time we have stretched this video and the lady should run slower than original clip. In this way you can increase or decrease the speed of video. Now let's just talk about how we can perform the basic operation. Let's say for example you want to crop this video and you want to make this lady at the center. For that you can use this crop tool. Now from here you can simply use it and pan it wherever you want to place it. Here you can see the crop video and the lady is running at center. So in this way you can crop and pan your video based on your need. Similarly, we also have option to split. Let's say I want to place one split here and another here. After making cuts, now I can delete this portion. If I check this clip, it may look quite weird, as you can see here. Now in such case what we can do, we can place some transitions, and here we have plenty of transitions available. So let's say I want to use this one, blurry cross. So I will simply pick this and will place in between. Now let me run this video again. And here we can see the transition between two clips. In the same way, if we want to add text, we can add text as well. There are so many variety of text available. You just need to choose the one you want, and here we can see in this way we can easily place it. If you click on this text, you can now see you can easily edit it, can change color, font, and so on. And by grabbing it, you can also change its position as well. In the same way, we also have other options available. For example, filter. Just select the clip and click on exposure. In this way, you can play with other filters as well. You also have an element. For example, here we may place this viewfinder. And now you can see how it works. I may not like to place this morning walk text, so I can even delete it by this delete icon. So in this way you can edit your video. Now let me just quickly show you one cool example. For that, let me just delete this clip, and I will be just going back here to media, and I just want to add another clip, which is this one. We do have an option to change the voice, so let me just place this video. Now let me just play it. Now I just want to cut it from here to here, and let's just delete this portion. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to detach the audio. Now I can perform individual operation with videos and audios. Now I'm going to delete it. And if you want to place another audio, then from here you can also place another audio. And this time you will listen something else. Maybe you would like to keep the original audio as well. So I will just click on undo, and I will also add one more audio track as a background music. Now here you can see I have added one audio track as a background music, and here we also can see there are several unused tracks, for example this one and this one, so we can delete these tracks as well. Now if we listen both.
Let's start with what you do. Do you work or...
Now we can listen to background music and the original sound of the video as well. We would like to reduce the volume of this background music. For that, what we can do is first of all select the background music and make a double click on it. From here you can reduce or increase the volume of it. So I'm going to reduce the volume of background music. Now you can listen to it again.
Let's start with what you do. Do you work or do you study?
This time the background music was less louder than before. Similarly, we also have option to change the voice. For example, we heard how this guy speaks.
Or do you study?
Oh, I'm a student.
So if you want to create some kind of funny video, then we do have different kind of voice available. Let's say I want to use the minion voice. So first of all, I will choose the correct track. Now I will choose the minion voice. Now let's play it.
Do you work or do you study? Oh, I'm a student.
Now here we can see the sound.
Let's start with what you do.
And I really don't want to use this one here. Maybe this one is not the good example. Especially this is good when we want to create some kind of funny video. We also have option to create fade in and fade out. And I will just quickly show you how you can use it. Let me just delete this background music. Now if I make a fade in of, let's say, 5 seconds. Now you will see some difference.
Do you work or do you study?
As now we can see the amplitude of sound increase gradually. So in this way you can adjust the clip fade in and fade out setting. The last setting I'm going to talk with you about is the screen recording functionality with this software. Yes, you heard it right. This software also offers you a screen recorder. The only con is that the screen recorder can record at 30 frames per second, which I expect the Filmy will fix it in future version. The another con that I saw with this software is that while exporting and encoding the video, the software do not utilize the CPU and GPU efficiently. However, these are the minor things, and believe me guys, as I said and you saw, this is one of the easiest user-friendly video editor available in the market. And if you are a beginner, then I would say definitely you should go for it, because it have very steep learning curve, and with template and feature one can edit like a pro. So I would say you should definitely give this software a try. As we can see here, it is freely available to download, and if you like it, then definitely you can go for it. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.